This is Waiting for Wings by Aloud. Out in the fields, eggs are hidden from view, clinging to leaves with butterfly glue. Soon caterpillars hatch. They creep and chew. Each one knows what it must do. Find a place where winds don't blow, then make a case in which to grow. Caterpillars' changes now begin. Body and wings take shape within. When it's time, each case is torn. Wings unfold, new butterflies are born. They pump their wings, get ready to fly. Then hungry butterflies head for the sky, looking for flowers with nectar to eat. They catch a whiff of something sweet. They follow that fragrant scent of perfume until they find our garden in bloom. We've been waiting for wings. We watch them circle, land on their feet, unroll their tongues and begin to eat. They dip and sip, then fly away, back home to the fields. They have eggs to lay. The end. This book is dedicated to those who help things grow.